I mean, who don't want to wake up to the melodious chirping of birds every single day? Besides, summers can be really harsh on them. They want us to extend a helping hand, to feed them, to give them food and water. So today on the occasion of Earth Day, I bring to you 3 easy DIY bird feeders plus 1 bird bath. So get those little feathery friends to your balcony or your gardens. So here we are starting with the first DIY. So take a cardboard box like this one and cut it from both the sides. It will open up to something like this. We can see that the joint is not that firm as we want it to be, so I will take this piece of cardboard box. Then with the help of hot glue gun, I will actually paste it to this weaker corner. Now we'll simply decorate this cardboard body with dried leaves like so, to give it a look of a hut. After that, I will also put some dried leaves in the base just for the looks. I had some artificial green leaves, so thought of adding a little bit of greenery to our bird hut or birdhouse. And after putting in the diyas, our birdhouse is ready. I hope you like the first one. Put the grains in the first diya and water in the another. It's better to put this birdhouse in a shade because the cardboard isn't that steady. So moving on to the next one, this is an even simpler one. I have taken a wooden piece and 2 coconut shells. We will just go ahead and paste these in the wooden piece. I am pasting 1 coconut shell in an angle and 1 straight facing the ceiling. Take 2 jute twines of equal length. I have taken off around 0.75 meters. We will tie them into knots. Do the same with the other twine. Now just lift this up to see if the balance is okay. After checking, mark the point of the twines in the wooden piece. And stick your twines. This step we are doing to make this bird feeder a bit more sturdy, So here we go, a little more hot glue and our bird feeder is ready. So let's see how it will look after hanging it in the tree. So I have put peanuts and grains in the first shell and water in the other one. I hope you like it how it turned out to be. I loved it, honestly. Moving on to the next project, we have a plastic bottle here. We'll cut it from this side and later we will use this opening to fill water or grains. Now take a mud bowl and just see that what will be the level of water once it will be filled. Accordingly, punch holes in the bottle here so that it gets dispersed automatically. After punching holes like so, we will go ahead and make the hanger or the hanging rope for the bowl. Make a knot like this from the jute twine. Tie the knot firmly. So this is ready to hold the mud bowl. You can also stick it using a hot glue gun. I have left it like this because it's good to go. Now we will use hot glue gun to stick the cap of the bottle to the bottom of the bowl. and it's ready. And now comes the most exciting part, a bird bath. So I have taken the cap of a dustbin. You can also take a cap of a bucket or something. Remember that the whatever utensil you are taking, it should not be too deep. It should be shallow so that the little chirpies don't sink in there. So decorate it with artificial green leaves and flowers. The idea is to make it more attractive for the birds. Quick tip: birds are actually attracted to blue and red color the most. So our base of the puddle is blue and the flowers we are using is pink and orange. I hope the birds come to this. This is the final result. Do give them a try, guys, and let me know which one is your favorite. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, live brighter. Bye.